Hello, today we will guide you through how to reset PNL after position close on Axiom. In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you how to find and reset the PNL display after a position has been closed. This can be useful if you want to clear out the previous profit and loss view and start fresh before monitoring a new trade. To begin, open Axiom and go to the Discover page on the Sol network. This is where you can browse available coins and access the trading interface for the asset you want to review. Once you're on the Discover screen, take a moment to make sure you're in the right section before moving on. Next, click on a sample coin. You can select the coin shown on your screen or the asset you want to use for this process. Opening the coin takes you into its detailed trading page where you'll be able to see price information, trading tools, and the P&L area that we need for this reset. After the coin page opens, direct your attention to the bottom right area of the screen and look for the P&L section. P&L stands for profit and loss, and this area reflects the performance of your position. If you've recently closed a trade, the value shown here may still reflect that completed position. That's why this step matters, because you need to locate the exact panel before resetting it. Once you've found the P&L section, click on it to reset. This action clears the displayed P&L so the panel is ready for your next position. If you don't immediately notice a change, give the interface a moment to update and confirm that the previous value has been cleared. That's all it takes. The process is very simple once you know where the P&L section is located. A helpful tip is to always verify that the position is already closed before resetting, so you're not clearing the display while still actively tracking an open trade. It's also a good idea to make sure you're on the correct coin page, especially if you switch between assets frequently. With the P&L reset, your screen is now cleaner and easier to use for future trades. Thanks for following along, and that's how to reset P&L after closing a position on Axiom.